Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your YouTube channel SEO friendly, I mean search engine friendly. So if somebody searching for your channel, it should be on the first page. So people would be searching for your channel including a space. Okay, so whatever your channel name, just like mine is Quantum Jumper, it is not actually coming right now on the search engine. It means YouTube search engine I'm talking about specifically, because your channel would be going to search on YouTube search engine. Okay, so right now my name is Quantum Jumper without having any space. So what I just need to technically do is to include a space between Quantum and Jumper. So let me go to YouTube Studio and let me show you. It's a very simple and straightforward process, and I just want to just do it. That's why I thought to also make a tutorial about it, so that you also get an idea to include a space. I saw a brand, I saw YouTube channels, I saw companies who actually doing this. Just because I thought, did they do it? Sorry for my tongue twister. So I just added a space and now publish, and that's it completely. It's done. And if somebody starts searching for my YouTube channel, if they make any query on a YouTube search engine and search for Quantum Jumper, then my channel, there are probability of my channel coming out on the first page really quickly. So for example, I think it's not synced yet to the YouTube server, but let's just take an example. So what is endless bond? So if somebody goes to youtube.com and now search for what is endless bond Quantum Jumper, then I think it's a very fast YouTube now. It's now coming out of the first page. Still there is no space because it's not synced properly, but yes, it is coming on the front page if somebody is searching for this query, and it's also good for the search engine. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.